have the following questions, and we are told to use variations, substitutions method. Find the following integral. Direct substitutions may not be the only method. You have to also combine with origins. Question 1, we have integral of this. So what we're going to do, let's u be equal to the square root of this equal to x minus 4. You can make x the subject so that you can substitute for this x. That will be equal to u squared plus 4 equal to x. At the same time, you can also differentiate this with respect to x, and that will be 2u du equal to what? Dx. Okay. So let's go back to the question. So we now have we have the value for this. So that's u squared plus 4 over u, and the x we have value for that. Okay, so we've changed the variable. U here we cancel, u here we cancel. So we have these two can go outside the integral. We have 2 times the integral u squared plus 4 du, and this will be equal to 2 integral of this u squared, that's the power plus 1, that's u3 over 3. The integral of 4 du, that's a plus 4. That's what we have. Then we can open the brackets, and if you do that, we're going to have 2. I'm going to return the u back. My u is this, so that will be 2 over 3 plus 4 u. Okay, so that's that. I just need to do the true algebra on this one, plus c. So that's that on question. This is plus. The question 2, u be equal to y plus 1. And we're having that y here, so we're going to differentiate this with respect to y. That's the u equal to what? The y. At the same time, from here, u minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to y. So we now have our question will now become this one. We have u minus 1 square all over. This is what? U 4. The y is the u, so that's the u. So we've totally changed the variable. So the next thing to do is for us to expand this. It will be u squared. Expand that, you're going to have all over u4. Okay, the u, which means this one over this one, that'll be don't forget your integral. That'll be equal to integral of this one over this one. That'll be u to minus 2 minus 2. This one over this one, u minus 3, and finally this one over this one plus u to power minus 2. So can we integrate that? That'll be this one plus 1, u minus 1 over the power, then minus here also u the power plus 1, that's u minus 2 over minus 2. Okay, this one also the power plus 1, that's a plus u minus 1 over minus 1 plus what? Plus c. Minus minus, that's plus. That'll be 2 over u squared. Then minus plus, that's minus. That's 1 over u. Okay, plus c. So the next thing to do now is to plug back your u. Your u has an expression, that's y plus 1. So I'm going to have minus 1 over y plus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1 squared minus 1 over y plus 1, and then plus c. So that's that on this. Let's go to the third one. For the third one, you can see the function. Let's let u be equal to this, the denominator. So the moment you differentiate this, it's going to be equal to your numerator. So this will give you this, okay, dx. So this is the numerator, okay. So which is very fast. Then we now have your question this. So that will be equal to, the question can write it this way. That's equal to du all over u. And final answer, that will be ln u, which is equal to what? Ln. We have value for u, which is equal to what? Which is equal to this plus what? Plus c. And that's that on this question. Okay, this is purely direct substitution. There's no variation in this one. Just make your u the denominator as a u, and then differentiate that. Okay, by the time you do that, what you get is going to be the same as the numerator. Then you can entirely change the variable. So that's that on this question. New on this channel, or you are just watching for the first time, If you're watching for the first time and you're yet to subscribe, there's a watermarks on this video. Kindly click on the watermarks and subscribe to this channel. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay, I assure you I'll respond to your comments as fast as possible. Okay, finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you.